How's it going? Welcome to a day in the life of Moto CKC. I'm calling this episode Test and Tune because we're trying to work out all the kinks before the riding season begins. Everything from bikes to cameras to video editing. Lots of exciting changes this year.
Okay guys, so it was a beautiful winter day and I really wanted to take the new Kawasaki out, if only around the block. Now some things did come up when I turned the bike on, but we still rode anyway.
Kristi pointed out the fuel injector light was on, but it seemed to run fine. Spoiler alert, we do figure out why the light was on. Over the winter, we replaced this obnoxiously loud slip-on exhaust system. We also replaced the air filter and the spark plugs. Can you guess what mistake I made?
So just as a heads up, this is in no way any kind of bike maintenance tutorial. Obviously, this bike is still new to us, so if we did something wrong, go ahead and let us know. Obviously, if there's anything else we could do better, if you guys have any tips about working on these bikes, send them our way because we can use them. And then, of course, when it comes to the video-wise, we're still figuring things out. If there's anything you want to see, anything we could fix to do better, go ahead and let us know that as well. And then, of course, sorry about possibly speeding in the neighborhood.
My bad. Enjoy the show.
Woohoo! That and I'll take Yami. Sure. You want my phone or leave it off for now?
Just leave it off. actually running a lot better than it was before. I think that spark plug helped a lot. I wonder if it's just running on one cylinder or something.
We did do quite a bit with it.
Fuel injection light still on?
Is there what light still on?
Fuel injection light?
Yeah. I don't know what's up with that.
Okay, so the first step is to take the seat off. The next step is to take the tank off. I think that's 10 millimeter right there. All it's holding the tank is just these two bolts right here, and then it hooks up on the front. So you take these bolts out, and they'll pop right off, except there's two electrical connectors and also the fuel line. But these things, I don't know if they're supposed to have something connecting them right there. We could put a zip tie if you want, but these just pop right off.
Yeah, zip tie.
Can you grab the other one on the other side?
Which above?
You see this just pops off like that.
Yeah. Sure about that? How'd you do that? Be gentle on my beautiful bike.
flathead screwdriver to get that red clip off the fuel line connector. And it's going to spill a little fuel, so I try to have a shop towel on hand. And that's fuel line, one electrical connector. Can you hold this?
Yeah. My only just take.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, then it's got two hoses that run down here, but they're pretty much loose, except this one has this little can on here that won't fit through there. So I just take this little plastic thing off. Make sure I don't lose the clip. And now I should be able to lift the tank up, and these things will just pull all the way through. So I'm gonna pull it back a little bit because it kind of hooks under, and it lifts right up. Good job, Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie.
You gotta be careful though, because you don't want to break that fuel connector there, that plastic fuel connector. So then you probably have to replace the whole fuel pump. So that's how you get to the air box. This is the air filter right here. Let's see, take off the air box. You have to open up this window right here. 4 screws. Oh, you know what? Did you disconnect this?
I didn't do anything.
I bet that's probably what the problem was. Yeah, because I did not disconnect that, so it must have been disconnected, and that would explain.
The light.
Maybe, because it's an air sensor, so I don't know why that'd give a fuel injection light, but.
It's probably a check engine light.
No, there is a check engine light. That is.
Sure about that?
Well, maybe not.
What's that?
I don't know. But let's just put the fuel tank back on and see what happens.
Okay.
You want to feed those hoses through?
Through the front?
Yeah.
Gas. I'm dying. Go.
Spilling
Next.
gasoline.
Please. Go.
You want to get the electrical connector or hold the gas tank? Thank you. Okay, let's just start it up and see if that light is gone. Where's that can?
Feels like it's...
No, it's
And
flush.
do these just hang out?
Yeah, they're gonna go down there, but it's just to see if it works, it's fine. There you go.
Cool. It's alive.
That was an easy fix.
Indeed. Wees schlecht.
Okay, so fuel tank right now. Everything's connected. Let's put this little bracket on, and put the plastic panels on the side, put the seat on, and we're all good. This is what I thought last time. And these should be torqued to spec, but I'm lazy. So this, conveniently, it only fits on one of those hoses, so you don't have to worry about getting them mixed up. I know at least one of them is like a breather hose for the fuel tank, so it doesn't build up pressure. Maybe the other one's an overflow, I'm not sure. There. Just stick through like that. You want to get this one?
No.
Oh, I think I mixed them up.
So I'm like, this just doesn't seem to fit. Cookie!
Cookie car. The seat's always tricky.
Here comes Oak.
Just gotta
Good job, Cookie. You fixed it.
okay.